Hi, this is Abishak and I am from Kanyakumari. Currently, I have completed my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. After my bachelor's degree, I got an opportunity to learn in QSpiders Coimbatore, which was a incubation classes with a free education. So before coming to QSpiders, I don't have any idea about IT field. So after joining QSpiders, I taken the course of Java full stack. In QSpiders, Pawan sir and team, they have focused on my career as well as they have prepared me to how to face an interview at all, and especially for SQL, Sai Kiran sir, Java Ganesh sir, and for manual testing, Sambhu sir will teach everything from the scratch itself. If we don't understand anything, if we ask repeatedly to, they will be explaining all for me. So their support helped me to get placed in a well-reputed company. So now I have placed in a reputed company in Chennai, and so I thank very much Coimbatore QSpider for making my life better.